Hey guys, we are hiking Bird River Canyon today. If you're new here, my name is James. I am over 400 pounds and living my dream of becoming an adventurer. So if you guys want to help me obtain that dream, make sure you hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and shoot me a comment. Let me know what you think of the video and if there's adventures you guys would like to see me do next. Down we go. That is the fun. Hey, Canadian Shield hiking. You climb up, you climb down. Oh gosh, that's just straight dead. That's maybe not the best idea for us to hang out here, but it's so cool. You're hiking a trail, GPS misleads you a little bit. GPS basically implied that we get to the end of this trail and we go right or we go left. Well, there's left. There's sort of right. And there's the appropriate trail, which appears to double that. This is why compasses are handy. Actual trail goes that way. But it sounds cooler over there. I'm aware that if this turns into some Blair Witch Project found footage, this is the point where we fucked up. But I have ADHD and it sounds cooler that way. So we're going that way. I cannot believe that this is Manitoba. Check this out. Okay. Well, this would be a cool shot. Before I abandon the ice bridge I'm standing on because that way is impassable, just wanted you to appreciate these views with me. The ADHD adventure continues. The drone showed me, oh wow, it looks so cool up there. Torrin, come on here and look that way. There's a rock wall up there. So we have not been on the actual trail for a while. We're currently just walking on the river. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. I don't know you, Torrin, but this is why I do this. This is so cool. I am like a kid, man. It's so cool. I think we can get most of the way to the rock wall before it gets too dangerous. Okay, so alright. So following Torrin's advice, after I broke through the ice there, we're now back up on the shoreline where we're not walking directly on the river anymore. because my sense of adventure is not worth getting us killed. All right, so this is as far as we're going. There's no path that way, and we have to get back down the ice. And if you look further up, you can see the ice shelf starting to break off in. And Torin is definitely right. I'm pushing our luck a little far walking on the ice. So we're gonna head back now. This has been one of the coolest adventures ever. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to share this with everybody. Fuck, come on. If we're gonna risk our lives for a selfie, we might as well make it worth it, eh? I'm doing the raft where I'm taking a bunch. Okay, so we hiked 2.2K of 700 meters that, also 1K roughly, it was on the trail. The rest was like some side quest that we did. So I will come back later this spring, I promise, and hike the proper trail. If you guys like what I'm doing here, make sure you like, subscribe, all that stuff. Only 8% of people still are subscribers that watch my content. So I'd like to get that up because I would prefer to do this full time versus being a garbage truck mechanic because I enjoy it. But this is more fun anyways. I'm going to link Torin's social media. I'm encouraging him to make a TikTok and a YouTube and all that, so that will be fun. And yeah, I'll put a link in the description to all my other social medias if you want to see my sillier stuff and kind of random whatever. There's my TikTok, Instagrams, all the photos and all that. And as always, guys, thank you all so much for watching.